Hello students, very good morning. I am introducing today differentiation formulae. Before introducing it, please, I want to tell it that please watch it till last, subscribe it, like it and share it as much as possible. So I am telling you differentiation formulae. Differentiation related formulae which are applicable for in the differentiation topic in our limits and continuity and differentiability chapter. After first exercise, from second exercise only it will be applicable. So in our NCERT book. So concentrate on these formulae. You will have to prepare it for getting better result. So first, differentiation of any constant that is equal to 0, any constant value, means it is not in the form of variable, then it will be known as constant in that case. So suppose differentiation of 2 alone or differentiation of a alone, which is a constant quantity, differentiation of constant is 0. Second one, differentiation of it is the symbol of differentiation, d by dx. Differentiation of constant is 0. It is 0. Differentiation of x raised to the power n. Suppose in power of x, if it is n, then in that case differentiation will be n x raised to the power n minus 1. Suppose it is x raised to the power 3, then it will be 3x square, because 1 less than 3 is 2, so 3x square. Differentiation of a raised to the power x, it will be a raised to the power x log a base e. Fourth, differentiation of log x base a. Differentiation of log x base a, it will be 1 upon x log a. This will be the differentiation of log x base a. Now fifth one, differentiation of log x, that is equal to 1 by x. Differentiation of e raised to the power x, it will be e raised to the power x only. Now differentiation of ax, we can say it will be a, means suppose it is 4x, then it will be 4. Differentiation of, this is formula number 7, it is 7th formula, this one is 8th. Differentiation of sin x, that will be cos x. Differentiation of cos x, that will be minus sin x. With respect to x, I am explaining it. It is called differentiation with respect to x. This d by dx means differentiation with respect to x. Everywhere the function is of x only, so that's why I am writing here d by dx. Differentiation with respect to x of cos x will be minus sin x. Now differentiation of sec x will be, differentiation of sec x will be sec x tan x. You may write these in bracket also. Now differentiation of cosec x with respect to x, then it will be minus cosec x cot x. Differentiation of tan x will be sec square x. Differentiation of cot x, it will be minus cosec square x. These are the trigonometric functions: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Now let me introduce the inverse trigonometric function differentiation. Now after 13-14 formula I am explaining. Differentiation of sine inverse x. It will be 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Differentiation of cos inverse x. It will be minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Differentiation of, it is 14th, this one is 15th, this one is 16th. Differentiation of tan inverse x, that is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Differentiation of d by dx of cot inverse x, that will be minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Differentiation of sec inverse x, it will be 1 upon x root x square minus 1. Differentiation of cosec inverse x, it will be minus 1 upon x root x square minus 1. Now, two more special formulae, that is 20th one I am explaining you. D by dx or differentiation with respect to x of first function into second function. That is called product formula for differentiation. It is first function, this one is second function. So it will be formula is first function into differentiation with respect to x of second function plus second function into differentiation with respect to x of first function. Now it may also be in numerator denominator form. So for that, differentiation of f1x upon f2x. It may also called numerator upon denominator because it is in the rational form. So denominator, you may remember it in this manner: denominator into differentiation of numerator with respect to x minus numerator into differentiation with respect to x of denominator upon, because f2x is denominator, upon denominator square. These are few formulae which are applicable in our differentiation topic. So it is very important, prepare it in a proper manner, and thanks for watching till last. Subscribe it, share it and like it as much as possible.